Hi, this is Jason from the QuickBooks team. When you make the move to QuickBooks Online, you can bring your company's info with you. All you need is your company file or a backup and a QuickBooks Online account. Let's go over how to migrate your QuickBooks Desktop data into your QuickBooks Online account. You'll see steps like these that help guide you through the process. Select Get Started. You may need to sign in with your Intuit ID. It takes a few seconds to begin your session. Select the Open File folder icon. Then select Temporary Files. Select Upload Files, and then select your QuickBooks Company file, Backup, or Portable Company file, then Open. The file may take some time to upload. When it's done, close the window and select Show Uploaded File. Then select Continue. Now you're ready to import. It's important to remember, though, that even after you migrate your company's info, you can always refer back to your existing QuickBooks Desktop company file at any time. This process doesn't do anything to make that data go away. You may need to enter your username and password for the company file. You may receive a notice that your version of QuickBooks is different from the one the import tool uses. To complete the import, QuickBooks will need to convert the file you uploaded to the latest version of QuickBooks. This will not affect the file on your computer, though. Select Continue. Then select Get Started. You can choose to export all your company data, including your customers, vendors, settings, and transactions, or export specific data. This option is helpful if you have a large file and don't want to bring over every individual transaction. You can choose to migrate all of the info about your customers, vendors, and other lists along with the account balances, or migrate only list information. This option is great if you want to start over without any transactions or balances, but you still want to keep the info about the people and products you do business with. And if you only want to move over specific lists, you can select them here. It's important to note that no matter which option you select, there are some things that won't migrate to QuickBooks Online. Check out this link to find a complete list of what does and doesn't move over to QuickBooks Online. Select Continue. Select this option to sign into your QuickBooks Online account. You may need to take some additional steps to verify your identity, like entering a code sent to your phone. Next, select where you want to move your data to. You can import your data into a company you've already set up, or create a new company in QuickBooks Online. Note that if you choose to import your data into an existing company, it will replace anything you've entered with the data in your QuickBooks Desktop company file. Also, you can only replace a company's data with data from QuickBooks Desktop during the first 60 days of your QuickBooks Online subscription. Select Continue. If you're replacing the data in an existing company, type Agree. Then Export. The migration process can take a few minutes. You'll receive an email when the process is complete. In the email, you'll find links to other videos to help you in QuickBooks Online. Once you get that notification, it's a good time to compare your original company information to the data you have in your QuickBooks Online company. Open your profit and loss statement and run it for this year to date. Then switch to QuickBooks Online and run the same report with the same date range. You can do the same thing with your balance sheet, AR, and AP reports, and more to confirm that everything arrived safely. Check out this video for tips on how to get around QuickBooks Online and more steps to take after the migration.